Hi, I'm Nick Pierce, the Barefoot Prepper from Are You Ready Radio, and I am here to give you some alternatives to some of the common cleaning items that people are really going crazy trying to get in the store. So I hope this helps. Now, of course, yes, disinfectant cleaners, bleach, disinfectant sprays, concentrates, cleanser. People are flocking to the store going crazy to try to find them, get them, and stockpile them in the midst of this whole corona outbreak and just all this insanity. Well, look in other areas for disinfectants that some people may be overlooking. And I want to share with you some other solutions, such as go to the oral hygiene aisle. Mouthwash. Mouthwash has alcohol in it, just like rubbing alcohol, slightly different. But even if you get the highest percentage of alcohol, rubbing alcohol, you can actually dilute that and make it go a little further if you're stuck in this, maybe all you have. Peroxide, another great alternative, kills a lot of germs and bacteria, and that will definitely help. The other thing is, and if you've ever watched my segments about water purification and why I love these so much, these are little bleach blocks that go in the back of your toilet in the tank. Now, with every flush, it releases a disinfectant or some sanitizing agent. It's bleach, which is exactly what comes in this bottle and in powder form here. Now, the difference and what I like about this the best, and I've always gone to this, when, like I said, if you've watched my segments on water purification and why I keep these in my bags and my packs and in other areas of my prepping, is because if you've ever gone to a pool supply place or have gotten shock for those chlorine blocks, this is very similar. This is just a dried version and concentrated block of bleach. It comes individually wrapped in these packets. Sometimes, depending on where you get them, they're two to a pack in this case. You break this open, you shave a little off into your water, and really you now have a mixture of bleach solution to clean. Put it in a bottle, spray bottle, whatever, a bucket, and use that to sanitize or clean if you do not have bleach or the stores are completely sold out of these other cleaners. Now, of course, I always go with the ones without scent and fragrance or taste, I guess, if you're eating them, and which don't do that. Because you don't want any other chemicals in it. You want it to purify water, and that was the main purpose of these. But in a case like this, look in some of the other areas of the stores if you can't find some of these cleaners, and these are some other alternatives. You can also go to pool supply places, find like the shock for pools and the chlorine blocks and all that. Especially now is the season when a lot of that inventory has come in, and people may be overlooking that. So definitely check out what other options are out there. I'm Nick Pierce, the Barefoot Prepper from Are You Ready Radio. Check out all the social media links for other great content and other videos that I'm posting. Check out the alternatives to toilet paper. Check out alternatives to hand sanitizers and other soaps and disinfectants as well. These are just the household cleaners that you may want. And an alternative for those, we also have other things you can use just on your hands, soap and hygiene as well, if you find yourself in a pinch and maybe you did not stockpile things ahead of time. Well, I hope that I help you seriously think, prepare, and answer the question, are you ready? Don't forget, check out our links. I'm Nick Pierce, the Barefoot Prepper. Thanks for watching.